Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Temidon. Last weekend, I did the analysis about GBPUSD, EURUSD, and gold, and the analysis came out just the same way I forecasted the market. So, guys, in summary, if you have not joined my group before I analyze where we are going further in this week, please make sure to join my WhatsApp group, okay, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because why we get it right. So before I analyze further, I just want to do a summary of just a little recap of last week market, okay. Supply zone hold, okay. If this supply zone hold at this zone, so I want to see price come back here. There's possibility for us to come back here, then bounce up. So once we get to around this zone, I want to be careful if I'm selling this market. So I want to be careful to see if we are going to close another bullish candle here. If we close a bullish candle here, that is to say we may be going higher, but otherwise we may be going back down. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to clear our doubts. That's why I took us back to that video. So please go and watch that full video and so that I get the full gist. So right now we are back on chart and we still have Thursday, Friday for this market to end. So this is my analysis that is happening right now. So right now we can take this as a more like a W pattern, okay? And there's a break of the neckline now. We've seen the retest, boom, we are going higher. Okay, so but I want to make this video very short. So you may have some, how are you going to enter this market? So your best way to enter this market is to use what we called the sell side liquidity zone. Okay, so go to the 15 minutes time frame. Tomorrow morning, if you are in my WhatsApp group, you'll be able to see how I'm going to take this trade. So the best way to take this trade is to buy from this zone. This is your sell side liquidity zone, okay? This is your sell side liquidity zone that you want to look at, okay? This is your sell side liquidity zone. So I want to start buying from here. My entry will be around here. My stop loss will be here. If that doesn't hold, then I'll be looking at this another entry. So what I'm saying, I'll enter here. My stop loss is not more than 5-10 pips. That's why I love my strategy. Okay, I'll start buying at this very zone. If it fades, then I will start looking for another buy here. Then if that fades, that means that we are going back lower. But trust me, price is going to hold from any of these zones. Okay, so let's go straight to GBPUSD. Mind you, I don't want this video to be long. The same way for on the daily closes, let's look at on the daily closes. I don't like the way GBPUSD actually closed. I don't like the way it's closed. Okay, let's look at it on the daily. It closed more like a pin bar, so it's not really blue like I want to see compared to when you look at EURUSD. Look at EURUSD right here. You see that it's actually a blue candle. Okay, this is what I'm saying. It's actually a blue candle showing that there's a rejection, creating a double bottom at this zone. Okay, so I love this kind of price action I'm seeing compared to what GBPUSD is giving. But nevertheless, I'm going to still trade GBPUSD as the same pattern. So I'll go to the 15 minutes time frame. This is our entry rule. So where I want to look to buy from is the same pattern. I want to look to buy at this, this very sell side liquidity zone. Okay, this is my sell side liquidity zone around here. But for this very market, I'll be entering here and my stop loss will be at this low. So this will be all my stop loss. So around this zone I will be selling. Around this zone I will be buying the market to go higher. So that's just it. If it's not going to hold, this is what I want to risk for this market. So that's just it. On gold, let's look at gold shortly. Let's look at gold, what is happening on gold. So guys, please make sure to subscribe. So look at what we said on gold. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, this is what I said. I said that go back to watch that video, okay? Very, very important. That video is very powerful. So this is what I told you, that gold is trading in a range, okay? And if we see a break out of this range, that can lead gold little much lower. So this is just what is happening right now. So what I want to see a bounce of this zone tomorrow. So I want to assume that we're having more like a fake out, at this zone. I want to see this more as a fake out, so also bounce all in. But nevertheless, if we break lower, we may come back here and boom, back down.
Simple, straightforward. And how do you going to take this entry? If we're to see gold go lower, so let me go into the 15 minutes time frame. That's where the magic happens. So back there, if we're going to see gold going much lower, so we want to start selling from this liquidity zone. Okay, so we want to see price, tap in here, boom, and drop. So that's just my analysis for Thursday and Friday. It's very, very straightforward. A little recap again, a little recap on GU. Okay, let me just do a little recap on EURUSD first. I said this is the zone I'll be buying tomorrow, being Thursday. I actually bought this market around here and I made a decent profit. I haven't seen this double bottom. So I had entered around here and I took my profit at the previous day high because I don't know why the market is going to close. But seeing this market close, we're going to see back down and boom. That's just it. So guys, thank you, and please make sure you subscribe. Thank you.